our last question was about cookies.
Yes.
And this person had an interesting point about whether or not storing the session info in the database was actually better or not.
Yeah, okay. So in the general case, the answer is no. Because if you're storing sessions in the database, that probably means you're hitting the database on every page request. Because sessions kind of, by definition, only last the session. So if it's not permanent data, if it's just are you logged in, obviously you have to store are you logged in a cookie because that's how you are logged in. Things like user preferences. My feeling is if the user is anonymous and you allow anonymous users to have preferences and a little bit of state, try to store it in the cookie first, because you don't want anonymous users to hit your database. Say your website gets popular and they write about it in the New York Times or something, and you get thousands and thousands of users before you were prepared. If all of a sudden you've got 1,000 people, I shouldn't say 1,000, thousands and thousands of people writing temporary stuff into your database, that's going to hurt. Now maybe registered users, of course, you store them in the database, but I still try to store as much temporary stuff in cookies as possible, because that's the key to scaling is stateless. Getting the database out of the request. Hiding your database reads, hiding your database reads behind a cache. Hiding your database writes behind a queue, which is something we really only talked about in Unit 7. That's the key to scaling. Storing temporary data in cookies, which are designed for that purpose, is a very important part of that.
Okay. I think that's about it. We can wrap it up here.
Yeah. I know we said goodbye a couple of times,
yeah.
but this one is for real. So first, Sean, I'd like to thank you. This course wouldn't have happened without you.
Thank you. And thank you. I mean, you did an excellent job. I know you kept apologizing that this is your first time teaching, but I think all of our students will agree you did a great job doing it.
Well, thank you. It's been a lot of fun and a really cool experience. Mm-hmm. And I'm still hanging out in the IRC. There's still a group of people who do that. So come join us if you want to talk about web apps or whatever. And Sean, I think, is TAing a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, and the forums for 253 will still be around for, ever, basically. There are a lot of great students, your co-students, in the forums still helping out. And a lot of people have posted a lot of great projects that they've done in addition or just completely different projects after what they've learned in this course. So
cool.
Congratulations to you guys.
So good luck out there. And drop me a note, drop Sean a note. If you have any trouble or want to share what you're working on, that'd be really cool. So anyway, thanks, Sean. Thanks you guys, and we'll see you around.
Yeah, see ya.